Hi, this is Atif, and you're watching my channel where I'm posting the trading ideas on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. In my previous video, I posted 7 altcoins which can give the profit in next 24 to 48 hours. Now let's see the results of those trades, and after that I will take you to my current trades. First, I posted this trade of HBAR US dollar, and this trade is executed successfully and the price action has hit the sell target zone. Then I suggested this trade, and this trade is almost executed successfully because the price action went up to 24 sats, and our minimum target was 24.08 sats satoshis. So we can consider that it has hit the sell target zone, but if you want to wait for the price action to hit the full target zone, then you can wait more. Otherwise, I will suggest you to close this trade. And after that, I recommended this trade of ENJ, Engine US dollar coin. And in this chart, you can see the price action formed a complete garlic pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. And you can see the price action has hit the sell target zone, and this trade is also successful. Then I posted this trade of MDA Bitcoin, and on this chart the price action was forming a shark pattern, but when I'll play the idea, then you can see the price action went very close to the sell target zone, the buying zone, but did not enter in the buying zone and took the bullish divergence and hit the sell target zone. Then I posted this chart of Dog Bitcoin chart, and out of 7, this is only one chart where the price action has hit the stop loss, but I think the price action will hit the sell target zone soon because the price action has formed a bullish crab pattern because it is retraced up to 1.618 from 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. So soon it can hit the sell target. Okay, out of 7, there are 2 trades or ideas which are still in process. One is COS Bitcoin, the cost Bitcoin chart, and after playing the idea, you can see the price action is still moving within this potential reversal zone, but almost the price action has taken the bullish divergence and moving up. But we have still chance to buy it from within the potential reversal zone and set our sell targets, which I have defined on this chart. And the second chart is MTL US dollar. MTL US dollar. And this chart is also in process. You can see the price action is moving up, but so far it did not hit the sell target zone. So soon it can hit the sell target zone. Before that, you can buy it from here below this red line. Now let's move to my current recommended trades for you, and the first one is IOTA US dollar, and on this chart the price action is forming a bullish shark pattern, and you can see after the complete formation of this bullish shark, the last leg is in process, and I'm expecting that soon it will be entered in this potential reversal zone and take the bullish divergence from here and hit this sell zone. My next recommended trade is the DOG US dollar trade, and the DOG trade which I have posted in my previous video is the DOG Bitcoin. This is the DOG US dollar pair, and on this trade you can see the price line has formed a bullish shark pattern, and I think it will again give us the chance to buy it from the potential reversal zone, because if you see the MACD is strong bearish and stochastic is also strong bearish and in bear cross. So we can wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish or for the stochastic to give the bull cross to enter in the trade or buy. My next recommended trade for next 24 to 48 hours is the IOST US dollar trade. And on this chart, you can see the price line has formed a bullish gardley pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. So far, the MACD is strong bearish and the stochastic is also strong bearish. So we can wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish, or also we can wait for the stochastic to give any bull cross. Then we should enter in the trade. And these are my sell targets. I have also mentioned in the chart description. I have also shared the link of Tradingview in the video's description. You can just click on that link and you can find my all charts on the Tradingview. My next recommended trade is IOST Bitcoin pair. The previous chart was IOST US dollar, and this is the IOST Bitcoin trade. And on this chart you can see the price action has formed a bullish bad pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. So it will hit the bullish divergence from here and hit the sell target zone soon within next 24 to 48 hours. And my last recommended trade is PHX or PHB Bitcoin chart. And on this trade you can see on 4-hour chart the price action has formed a bullish shark and entered in this buying zone, the PRZ or potential reversal zone area, and I'm expecting that it will take the bullish divergence soon from here and hit the sell zone. This potential reversal zone should be our stop loss point in case of complete candlestick closes below this potential reversal zone in all charts or all trades I have shared with you. Thank you so much guys for watching the complete video. I'll be keep sharing the more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos with you. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it and do hit the like if you like the video. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.